In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an Uber using Apple Maps. Whether you're new to this feature or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, open the Apple Maps app on your iOS device. You can do this easily by locating the icon, which resembles a simple map graphic. Once you've tapped and opened Apple Maps, you'll be presented with the familiar search bar at the bottom of your screen. The next step is to search for your destination. Tap into the search bar and type in where you'd like to go. Whether it's a specific address, business name, or point of interest, Apple Maps will generate a list of suggestions to choose from. Once you find your desired location, tap on it to set it as your destination. Now let's look at transportation options. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see various transportation icons indicating driving, walking, transit, and the little car icon for ride services. Go ahead and tap on the Ride tab. This is where you'll find your ride-hailing options integrated within Apple Maps. Next up, you'll want to select Uber from the list of ride services available. If the Uber app is installed on your device, Apple Maps will conveniently show you Uber ride options that are ready to go. This will include different services like Uber X or Uber Comfort, complete with estimated fares and wait times. This integration makes planning smoother by giving you a clear idea of your options and how much you can expect to pay. If, however, Uber ride options do not appear immediately, don't worry. Simply tap the Open Uber button to switch seamlessly to the Uber app. From there, you can continue the booking as you normally would in the Uber ecosystem. Now, let's finalize your ride booking. Once you've selected your preferred Uber option, you'll typically see buttons labeled Book or Request. Simply tap on one of these to confirm your ride. Apple Maps and Uber will sync up, letting you know when you can expect your ride to arrive. And there you have it. You've successfully booked an Uber ride using Apple Maps. This convenience can save you time and make your travels smoother by integrating location searching and ride booking into one streamlined process. Don't forget to double check your pickup location in the Uber app just to ensure everything is in order. I hope this tutorial helps make your next journey a seamless experience. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, travel safe